Morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of God. Be safe and stay at home. Obey your parents. Eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Okay, children, shall we pass on to the lesson? Today we are going to learn one more new subject, science. What's the subject we are going to learn? Science. What's the spelling for science? S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. What's the spelling for science? S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. In science, today we are going to learn one new lesson. What's the name of the lesson? Shall we see? Look at here, Lesson, lesson 1. What's the spelling for lesson? Lesson, lesson 1. What's the name of the lesson? P-A-R-T-S, parts. P-A-R-T-S, parts. O-F, of. T-H-E, the. B-O-D-Y, body. Parts of the body. What's the name of the lesson? Parts of the body. Today we are going to learn what are the parts are there in our body. We are going to learn. Look at here. What are the parts are there in the picture? Now we are going to see the part one by one and we are going to learn its spellings. Okay? Shall we see? Look at the first part. Can you find what is this? It's on the head. Yes, you are right. What's it? Hair. H-A-I-R, hair. When you say the spelling, you have to touch that part in your body also. All of you should touch your hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Very good. Look at the next one. What is this? Yes, your guess is right. You can see with this. What is this? Eye. Very good. Very good. Eye. What's the spelling for eye? E-Y-E. Eye. What's the spelling for eye? E-Y-E. Eye. Good. Very good. Look at the next one. What is this? We can hear with this. Very good. What is this? What's this? Ear. Good. What's the spelling for ear? E-A-R, ear. How many ears you have? 2 ears. Good. Very good. E-A-R, ear. Look at the next one. What is this? Hand. Very good. This is a hand. All should show your hand now. Okay? H-A-N-D. Hand. H. What's the spelling for hand? H-A-N-D. Hand. Very good. Very good. Look at the next one. What is this? Arm. What is this? Arm. What's the spelling for arm? A-R-M. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. Good. Shall we see the next part? Yes. Look at the next part. What is this? An arrow is there, no? Yes. What it is pointing? Elbow. What is it? Elbow. What's the spelling for elbow? E-L-B-O-W. What's the spelling for elbow? E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Okay? Now, look at the next one. Where the boy is keeping his hand? Yes. Hip. Hip. What's the spelling for hip? H-I-P. Hip. What's the spelling for hip? H-I-P. Hip. Now, look at the next one. What is this? You all know this. Yes. What is this? Nose. Very good. How many nose you have? Only one nose. Very good. And then what's the spelling for nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. What's the spelling for nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. Good. Look at the next part. What is this? Yes. Very good. You all are right. Very good. What is this? Mouth. Through this you can eat, no? Yes. What's the spelling for mouth? M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Very good. Look at the next one. What's that? Look at the pointer where it is pointing. All should touch that. All should touch that part in your body. Okay? And you have to say the spelling. Okay, children? All of you touch this part in your body. Say the spelling. N-E-C-K. Neck. What's the spelling? N-E-C-K. Neck. Very good. Very good. Look at the next one. What is this? You have two sides. You have this. No. Yes, all of you touch it. What is this? Shoulder. What is this? Shoulder. Shall we learn the spelling? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Shall we say the spelling once again? Because it's a big spelling, no? Yes. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Shall we say once again? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Very good. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Where his finger is pointing? Yes. Do you know this? All of you touch this place. What is this? Chest. What is this? Chest. What's the spelling for chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. What's the spelling for chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Very good. Look at the next one. Where the arrow is pointing, where the boy is keeping his hand. You feel hungry. What is this? What part it is? Stomach. Very good. Very good. What's the spelling for stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. What's the spelling? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Shall we say the spelling once again? Because it's a very big spelling, no? Shall we say it once again? Yes. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Shall we look at the next one? Now, what is this? What is this? All should touch this part in your leg. All of you look at here. What is this? Look at here. What is this? Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. What is this? Knee. Where's the knee? It's here. Okay? K-N-E-E. Knee. Look at the next one. What is this? Yes, you all are right. You are telling correct. Very good. What is this? Leg. L-E-G. Leg. What is this? L-E-G. Leg. Very good. Very good. And look at the next one. What is this? Foot. Very good. What's the spelling for foot? F-O-O-T. Foot. What's the spelling for foot? F-O-O-T. Foot. Shall we see the next one? Now, look at here. We are going to revise the spellings once again. How many parts we learned, that also we are going to see now. We are going to count the parts once again and we are going to learn its spelling once again. Shall we see it, children? Yes. First part, what's the first part? Hair. What's the spelling for hair? H-A-I-R, hair. Very good. And the next part? Eye. What's the spelling for eye? E-Y-E, eye. And look at the third one. What is this? Ear. E-A-R, ear. And then look at the fourth one. What is this? Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Good. And look at the next one. What is this? Arm. What's the spelling for arm? A-R-M, arm. And look at the next one. What is this? Elbow. Very good. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. And then next one, what we learn? Yes, very good. Hip. H-I-P, hip. And look at the next one. What is this? Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And look at the next one. What is this? Mouth. Very good. What's the spelling for mouth? M-O-U-T-H, mouth. And look at the next one. What is this? Neck. What is this? Neck. N-E-C-K, neck. And look at the next one. What is this? Shoulder. Very good. You are telling correctly. Very good. What's the spelling for shoulder? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Very good. And look at the next one. Where the boy is pointing. Yes, chest. Very good. What's the spelling for chest? C-H-E-S-T, chest. Good. And look at the next one. This is a stomach. Very good. What's the spelling for stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. And look at the next one. What's that? Knee. Very good. K-N-E-E, knee. What's the spelling for knee? K-N-E-E, knee. And look at the next one. What is this? Leg. Very good. L-E-G, leg. How many legs you have? Yes. You have 2 legs, no? Yes. You can run with this. You can jump with that, no? Yes. Very good. Now, look at the last one. What is this? Foot. What's this? Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Now we learned the spelling, no? Yes. What you had to do? Today's homework. Now we pass on to homework. What homework you have to do? You have to read. You have to read, learn and write one time the spellings for the parts of the body. Okay? What are the body parts we learned now? You remember that, no? I show you in pictures. Those body part spellings you have to write one time and you have to post it to me. Okay, children? Now you understand the lesson clearly. I hope you all understand it very nicely. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, children. Thank you all.